Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a clean and purge with me. This playroom was a disaster and it was long overdue that I went through it and got rid of a ton of stuff. So if you're needing some motivation to clean and purge, this is the video for you. So just come along with me. I spent this entire day cleaning, so this is actually going to be one of 3 videos that I had to separate because they were so long. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out some of the other videos on my channel for more cleaning motivation. The first thing I'm doing is just going around the room and collecting all the clothes and stuff that does not even belong in the room. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go through all these books. I once had them organized by color just because it looked aesthetically pleasing. But now that my youngest is in kindergarten and he's going to start reading, I wanted to organize them by the type of book so that he knows what to grab and practice reading. I'll also be purging some books that we don't read anymore. And check out this trash. This stuff has been here throughout the entire summer. As you can see, it looks so much better already, all neat and clean and organized. And now I'm just taking some stuff out into the hallway where I've got my donation pile going. So now that I'm all done with the bookcase, I went through and picked up a little bit of the room and I started organizing stuff on the futon here just so I know when I go to get rid of it to put everything together. And here I'm just showing you I went through that little bin and got rid of a couple of blankets. All these bins here were all throughout the room that just had a bunch of junk in it. So I got rid of all those. There's a train table that I'm going to sell. And here's what we have so far. Some of those blankets are clean and just need to be put away. Now it's time to tackle this area in the closet.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone, but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
Alright, so here's what I have going on so far. It looks like a complete and utter mess, but it's actually a little bit of organized chaos going on. So I set everything over here that I needed to find all the pieces and parts to, like the little train set for that train table. I was trying to find all the pieces to this. I found 3 out of the 4. I'm missing that one. I've got all the kids' guns that they're a little bit too old for now. All the Halloween costumes and toy stuff in here. Oh, this thing's so ugly, I hate it. But all of these things like the Ninja Turtles, and then another like Mickey Roadster Racer track. Some more guns. So all this I just need to bag up and bag together so that when I give it away, at least, you know, it's together. This stuff here is to the magic set, all the Nerf gun things. I'm missing the blue gun, but I have the red one here that shoots those. So I have no idea where that is. Maybe I'll run across it. But yeah, now to bag all this stuff up.
Time is unfair, 'cause I know you're out there somewhere, patient, waiting unaware, feeling like your grip might slip too soon. But I'm running, chasing speed and gunning. I'll be right there all of a sudden. I feel your heartbeat lead me straight to you. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me. It's like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
Here is everything that we are getting rid of and donating to secondhand stores, and or trying to post certain things like on Facebook, like this thing with all the train tracks I'll probably try to post. A lot of this stuff we'll just give away, and then this I'll probably turn into a secondhand store where they purchase stuff. These are all like the little kids like dress up stuff and Halloween costumes. So with Halloween coming up, I can probably get a little bit of money for that. So yeah, that's everything. I would say a major accomplishment today. Yay!
I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find the peace in me. I wanna be, I wanna find myself, but again, it's always a phase. I wanted to stay, no you don't understand. I've been losing myself.
Okay, so here's a look at the finished room, all done and clean. The books are all organized, the blankets are in there. This is empty for something else. I might end up getting rid of it, I'm not sure yet, but it is so clean. It smells good. The carpets are nice and fresh. And then let me show you the closet. So all these things were full. I don't know if you could tell very well earlier. I have some of the extra clothes that are like in between my oldest and my middle child, so I just stick them in here because the other two share a closet. But anyway, I saved like all of his play guys, a couple like dress up masks. They're little Home Depot and Lowe's. vest when they go. We went to Great Wolf Lodge. We have those little wolf ears, a few dinosaurs, Rubik's cubes, some miscellaneous stuff, and puzzle pieces. But for the most part, I got rid of a ton of stuff. We had way too many bins in here. I kept all of their little bins, like for Easter and stuff like that up there. This is just some art supply stuff. And then over on this side, these are just like miscellaneous cards and stuff that they play with, so they don't match or anything like that. They do magic tricks and there's no rhyme or reason to those, so I just keep those in there. All their extra like bags. I saved just a couple Halloween costumes for the kids this year, and then the little Lego bin. There were a ton of Legos all throughout this room as well, and I just put them in there. There's more Legos in my oldest's closet, but we might end up moving them in here. I'm not sure yet, but that's it. So that concludes today's video. It feels so good to go through the house and purge. Hopefully this video has brought you some motivation to go through a part of your house today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.